might assume that a larger brewing capacity means a larger, more cumbersome presence on your kitchen counter. However, the AeroPress XL is designed to maximize volume without sacrificing the space you have left. Most people who have already bought the cheap one twice eventually realize they need more volume, but they do not want a bulky machine. You remember that morning when you were rushing to pack for a trip and realized your standard brewer only made one small cup, leaving you to choose between a messy cleanup or a second, separate brewing cycle. That friction is exactly what this setup aims to solve. This bundle addresses the engineering tension between volume and organization by combining our biggest coffee maker with the perfect caddy to store it in. It resolves the clutter problem by using the compact AeroPress organizer stand, which has a small footprint to keep your countertop clear. This means you get the volume you need without the visual mess. The AeroPress XL coffee press can brew up to 6 shots of espresso-style coffee or 2 cups of American coffee, 20 ounces or 590 milliliters, with one press. When you hold the press, you feel a deliberate resistance during the plunge rather than a stiff, difficult movement. The immersion, aeration, and pressure combine for exceptional flavor and versatility, which means you can switch between American, cold brew, espresso-style coffee, and lattes in about 1 minute. For the kind of person who measures twice, the ability to use coarser grounds gives you a personalized coffee experience through controlled brew time. The texture of the final cup is smooth coffee without grit or bitterness. One real limitation is that while it doubles the servings, it is still a manual process that requires your physical attention for that 1 minute of brewing. If you find yourself needing to brew for a crowd of 6 or more simultaneously, you might eventually outgrow manual pressure and need a larger electric solution, though most buyers never reach that ceiling. This channel is for the minority who want the trade-off rather than the spec sheet. Looking at the manufacturer's listing, the capacity is clearly stated as 20 ounces or 590 milliliters, which is the primary number to confirm if you are brewing for 2 people. The presence of the organizer stand is explicitly mentioned, which is vital for those looking to declutter. You have to decide if having a larger capacity is worth the extra manual effort. If you buy a smaller version and realize it is not enough, you will just be repeating the search. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if